Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are in Wildman Street, Christiana, Manchester, and we're here to talk to a lady by the name of Miss Joy. Alright, so stay with us, we'll talk to her in a little while, but before we do that, please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's go see her right now. All right. Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, he light. Big and light. Watch ya? No. Why? Whatcha? Mercy. And they might come with full force, so you know, with all. Watch out, I'ma come back to it. Oh, seriously? No, sir. Jesus, you should have warned us about the dogs, then, man.
No, I never know about them.
But them two, you're not easy now.
That's what I tell them.
Oh, wow. Good morning. You say good morning. We never even said that. We so preoccupied by the dogs.
So, you see the next door dog, he always run over, but we never remember about him.
Okay.
So the two dogs, them, we make sure tie them because I don't want to go bite nobody. Jeez. Because the other day one dog bite somebody up there, so I have to pay for it. And they say I'm mad. I end up having to take me daughter medication money, pay the person. So you see notice for them train up there, sir? So check them up. I'm not getting a no trouble.
Alright. Where are we going to stay? Where are we going to stay? We'll come with you?
Mama's coming from here. Stay over here.
Okay. Hello. Good morning. She can't talk. She talks to you?
But some of the words them you can't hear. Cause she couldn't talk for weeks, you know.
You tell her say welcome?
No, we never tell her.
So you should have tell her man, make she know.
So this is your visitors.
Hi, how are you? Okay. Okay.
You fine?
Yeah.
She can't sit up by herself.
Oh, you have to help her.
She only can just lean back like this. If she sit up, me I feel like we take the pillars them and put them on that. Me I feel beard her, brush her teeth, feed her. I hate her, she's sick, you know.
8 years? Alright.
May coming gonna be 9 years. She just feel bad and dizzy out by Christiana. And the time she reach over the hospital she cannot walk and so. And she didn't at the hospital for about 2 weeks. She couldn't talk, walk, nothing at all. And from there so.
That's it. So she just fainted, felt dizzy and fainted, and that's it. She never walked again from that time.
No. She did. We did a try to make sure I walk, and she did do a little step. And from there so.
How old was she when she felt dizzy and fainted?
She was 23 years old.
23. So how was she before that? You know, what type of life, what was she doing and so on before she took ill?
Alright, when she was 13 years old, I never hear somebody live. We did live in Coleyville. Me from Coleyville. So I rent me come down here so come rent because I want to look at all those like this. Me did live in there before and it a wet and so. So me end up now come rent this one where even worse because as you can see the water come down from the wall and the water come down there so I can even show you here so. When the rain falls, see the water over here so wet.
Oh, okay.
Bed wet. See there. Round here so wet. Me have to set pan my bed around here. Around here so we did have our first go through sometimes she make noise and so and they close to the road and so.
Yeah.
That's why I put her around here so.
Okay.
Run over here so me have to set pan my bed or jar the bed over here so. I set pan over here so if you catch me water, be water. See there? Water coming over here so to make up the whole place. Landlord I do nothing.
Okay, alright. So come back here, so I have to stay close right here, you know why? Because I have this one microphone, so you pick up a fight as well here.
Oh.
Alright, so you were telling us about, what she was like before she took ill.
Oh, when she's 13 years old, that time we were living in Coleyville, where I born and grew. And I was inside washing up some dishes. So when I step outside, I saw her on the ground. Fart was coming out of her mouth when she was 13. So they sent me to Andrews Memorial Hospital in Kingston. I do tests. They do the test. They don't see nothing wrong with her. But they put her upon this medication they call Dilantic. And found it as you see all of her medication over there.
Okay.
And some around there so. And they just so from there so now she started to faint same way. Even when I take the medication, she started to faint. They send me go do a heart test. They string up some old pan machine and so. And her head and all about. They don't see nothing. That time she had 13. Alright, when she reached 23 now, she and her other sister was going over by the hospital to do a blood test because they always do blood tests to see if anything is wrong with her. The blood test come back alright, nothing now. It don't show nothing. So same like how she come out of the taxi in Christiana. She just dizzy and feel bad and go down on the ground. So her sister take her up, shot her taxi and bring her over the hospital. But over there she was going as well. And when she over there she fell off the stretcher. She said she were asking them to assist her to on the stretcher to take her off. Nobody never assist her. But anyway she said she fell off the stretcher on the ground. Right, and then they take her up and carrying him to the doctor and the doctor see her and she was admitted. She couldn't talk. And then they tie her down, pump the bed over there and her stuff like this and from there, so I think she spent about 2 weeks in the hospital. I don't quite remember. But when I went over there, they said me have to take her home. I said we can't take her home in that. You see her when she look good now. If you did see her, this set light and her mouth really so. So
have they been able to diagnose what type of sickness it is?
After 2 years, they sent me to go and do a scan test where they push her on under something like a canal, and when they scan it, they say enough oxygen not reaching her brain after 2 years.
Okay.
So I used to take her to the physiotherapy. Yes, I used to take her like 1 time a month. I used to take her to the physiotherapy. And then now me have to change different taxi. She had the power relief. So they used to assist me to pay the taxi to carry her. But we did have a little problem with, so when the taxi man forget him money and then something we did have to just stop. Stop and we have to change different taxi and taxi man time when you forget their money or something. So we just stop care.
Okay.
So exercise our foot and our hand them. We did have one little sponge ball when we give her go and work her hand and me work it till she can hold something in them now.
Okay.
Most likely like me give her in a bottle to drink, like some of them bottle there. Like yeah, drinks and something like that. So she will able to put her mouth on.
Okay. So what type of food do you feed her? She's able to eat like solid food and so on?
Yes, me give her, because you know, the money part with me not easy. And me have to pay the rent and me have to buy diaper for her and every little thing, or water me have to buy. Actually the rain fall and me give God thanks. I have to buy no water. Only for drink. But for wash and some, I have to buy no. But when time no rain fall, me have to buy even the water for wash.
So it's hard.
So most of the time I give her like rice. Sometimes I just be rice me have to give her. Sometimes I make little porridge give her. Or sometimes I mix little oats or so. Or like when I have one little money now, I go to the supermarket, maybe take up little supplement and or you know them little insure like 2 or 3 because you know me can't buy them something because they're expensive. So I buy like 2 or 3 or maybe buy one little box milk. You know, they look at eggnog and then look at something there. Nutritious things and give her.
Okay.
Mostly rice me cook.
So who helps you to take care of her? Who helps you to take care of her?
Oh, alright. You see about this one? So when tell me who help me to take care of her? My other daughter sometimes because she have 2 kids, you know.
Yes.
So most times she go up and like look a site where go do little juggling. For she have to pay her rent and take care of her children and so.
Okay.
Sometimes if she will assist me. Not all the time, some. Sometimes.
Struggle real.
May I tell you, say, me not sleep at night time, you know? And me have to get up all 2-3 times a night. She want water for drink. Me have to get up, change her diaper, wipe her for her bottom. Me get sometime at 12 o'clock. I go to my bed. Sometime at 1:30 me just go to my bed and lie down.
And then you have to work throughout the day.
And then now, she not eat fast. So she take long feed when me feed her. And she cannot feed herself like.
Yes.
Alright. If me give her like maybe some biscuit in a one dish, she will be able to like take up that.
Right.
But it's like rice and there's something there super so she can feed herself with them. But even if I make one sandwich and me give her everything just a scatter out for her. So if just hold it that she can eat. Yes.
So she need frequent care right round the clock. So what happened to her when you are at work?
When me get the lunchtime, me have to make it sometime, or me have one little small son sometime when we assist me with her. But you have to change the diaper so you not do that. But then we give her little something to eat and give her little juice or make little tea or then something.
Yeah.
But most of the time now when we get the lunchtime, no, we have to run.
And just to provide clarity, your workplace is maybe about 2 minutes or so from here.
So we have to make it so even when we come.
When you're driving, maybe if you
run, go back.
So maybe it's about a 10 minutes or 5 minutes walk.
Tired man, it's tired of me stressing. Me just not put it on my face when me go on road. Me just put the base and beg God to give me the strength.
Yes.
That me can look after her. So even when me could get the lunchtime, I run come look after her. Me feed her. Sometimes me can't even get to eat nothing for myself because the time when me take to change the diaper here I look something feed, me can't get feed nothing.
Lunchtime up.
Feed nothing.
What about her father?
Me don't know which part think they're part of the world.
So he was never a part of her life growing up?
Well, I work and take care of my children, you know.
Okay.
I'm the mother and father for them. Me take care of them. And day one and me take care of them. And me and dad, daddy and mother.
Yeah.
Your name?
Dad, Yes.
A lot of people tell me say they couldn't cope with this. But you see, Chua never saw she this year.
Yes.
And I'm my child.
Yes.
We can't go dashing with a bush and we can't go rebel for me. If we just go and look after him and tell him God take him. God, we just ask God to give me the health and the strength that we can take care of him, and we want the blessing from God.
Yes.
So that's it.
Yes.
So me go and do what me have to do. Yes, sometimes we feel discouraged and me feel like giving up, yes. And most time me not tell them like every day me cry. I'll even when me come in at night time and when me come in at night time and me have to look after her. Me not tell you the honest truth. I look at it, me never have one man or live with one man. I mean, I don't know that work with this. Sometimes when time me come in the way home, me tired. Me have to take like a 5 first lie down around this. So see when I'm working clothes. And just lie down and take a 5. He must say, Mommy, me want this and want that. Me say, me son come, me want gear no, but me have to just take a 5.
You're tired.
And when me come assist her, me have to just take off my clothes and go my bed dirty. Me can't even bed.
It's hard.
Tired man, me can't get even bed.
Let me see your, because I notice your fingers.
I didn't work for me though.
All of your fingers have the Likkle.
You see them when they're good now, they say,
Oh Lord.
antifungus.
Yes.
Antifungus in them. So even about 2 times I take them to the doctor.
What type of work you do? What type of work you do?
Janitor work.
Okay, so that causes your fingers to look like that.
Do the cleaning.
Oh Lord.
So me get antifungus in it.
They not hurt though. They not hurt. They hurt.
They said they hurt me.
Lord have mercy.
They hurt me, man.
So cause you're always in the chemical. Jesus.
They hurt me, man. Yesterday when they look good now.
Oh wow.
And they burn like pepper, especially when they bleach. But when me can't do no better. Because I'm rain fit here. Me have to buy pump diaper for her. Me have to eat and drink. And me have to buy something for rub her skin. Most of the time if I go to the doctor, go for her medication and me not get it. Some. Most of the time me not get some, but sometimes I get some. Me have to buy the rest of them and they're very expensive.
Yes.
Because you see even this one, this one is very expensive. This one we didn't call me in Thailand. Very, very expensive.
How much for it?
This? You know, so the medication, yeah, me not tell you no lie. The last time, that about a couple of years ago, the $15,000 for the bottle. So, I don't really buy for, me get this one at the hospital. But enough money for me, I hide it from you. Enough money for that, especially the one. And this one, you get this one at the hospital. So the other day when we went to the hospital now, they just give me, first in that history, me ever see they do it, they give me for 2 months supply because here one. We went by the hospital and we go for there for one with the name, phonic acid. This one, she did have all, but she never have this one and we couldn't wait. I couldn't wait that day, so I end up did a leave here and come home back. I was upon on Thursday. So I did a leave. So it took me about a month to go back over there. So they asked me say, why I never did to come back. I said certain circumstances, I never really tell them why. So they said, okay, I'm going to give you for 2 months.
Okay.
So they give me for September and October, so I now go back until November. November. They just give me 2 months. First in that history.
Yeah.
They ever see. They didn't do that. I got the permission.
Yeah, indeed. Alright, so you know
we have to take this. This is a vitamin where she have to take this vitamin. She have to repeat it like 4 times or 5 times.
Okay. Alright, so with all that you explain, and the struggles and challenges, what would you like in terms of assistance?
I like this for him. Make she forget her skin, rub her skin that she knows already. This is very expensive. It costs $6,000.
Okay.
If you buy like powder, see them, but you are doing enough to buy to use for her skin at them. I don't know.
I keep it back on them for.
Because I go burn them. I go burn them. I go burn them. I go just throw them in this year. That's when time I read them.
Just burn them.
You know, one out have nothing
this year. If you rub our skin, so can't save no money.
Yeah. So I was asking you, with everything that you explain and so on.
Just keep that.
Sometimes I laugh, look here, sometimes you start to me. To me stress out, sometimes you talk to me, I'm not about you, what you're saying, you say in front of me, but my mind come like in a day.
Yeah, understand.
The year, but my mind in a day.
Yeah. We understand. So now we have an opportunity to just state, specifically what type of help you would need with her. So just talk to,
tell Jamaica, in any help when you can help me. Can assist me with this little girl. That we can get to look after her properly. Because right now she not even get the proper care, right? She forget. I tell her the honest truth to God love. And the little work we may do, me can't take a night, pay a night me come in. So if you can assist me with something where me can do, where me can get to come in early, come look after her. If I even look buying and selling, where me can come in early, get to look after her, because she not get the proper care. Most time gas her take her up. Because she not get the proper care. She forget. So I have to do her work for take care of she, you understand? So I have to do something because me Francis said me this sit down for how much year and couldn't go to me have to look after her and I say boy me have to rent for pay me can't live out the door and me have to eat and drink and me no want no man me do not want none of them because them are crosses so me just put them a pass no want them and them a man want to kill woman and throw them in a pit and me no want none of them come cut off me head so me just no want to see none of them as long as they any man me no nothing with them just want to stay by myself.
Yeah.
So right now, I don't do look buying and selling also. When we can go juggle and come back like say, I could go up on the road like I say 9 o'clock and buy say 4:30 or so I can come back. Or even earlier than that, I can come for your sister also.
Okay.
So I don't want to do a little buying and selling like all. Yeah, I don't want to sell now. Sell a little fob. Little pitney panty. Jugglers, some little school socks, some little something where pay me bills them and put food on the table for the little girl and they look something there. Myself. Instead I go take myself go mix it with one man, I don't really want none of them.
Yeah.
So in any way Jamaica can help me, please may I ask them. Help me please. Right now I not even live now. A rent house me live in and the house not even good. Pay rain and wet me up in it. When rain a fall, all the whole part every rain and water come down all pan this so. We top all the bed and then something there.
Okay.
But I need some help.
Yes.
So anywhere Jamaica please. Anywhere you can assist me please may I ask you. God bless you. Thank you.
Okay. Alright, well said. Alright, so we had spoken before and we did say to you that we'd bring her some Pampers when we come in. So now we have 5 packs, I think it's 5 or 6 packs of Pampers. So that should help for a little while.
Thank you. I tell you say hi. When I talk to me yesterday again, I tell you the truth. I want to go to Jamaica. I have no shame when you come from. So see there, Jamaica, see there. The last.
Yeah.
The last left back in pack. And one pack now serve her 1 week. So
yeah.
2 times for the week me have to buy. See the Jamaica. The last and see God send you to come.
Yes.
God bless you.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Alright guys, so
on my side and God the pants on my side.
Yeah.
And God continue to do the work. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Alright guys, so you have seen and you have heard, and so if there is any way in which you are able to assist, please do so. Alright, so until next time, I want to just say thanks to everybody for your continued support, for watching and for donating from time to time. So until next time, this is your end of the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye bye.
Jamaica to me. Thank you to Jamaica. Even though you don't help me yet, me still thank you. And when you don't help me, me still have thank you. It's not really easy for me because I have to pay like $5,000 or $6,000 for the taxi if you carry this little girl like a doctor. So I can't even save no money. At the 16th of this month here, she go to a doctor and a Mandeville she have to go to a doctor. And if I go, I go be a $6,000 I have to pay. Right now my heart heavy. You only see me smiling, but you don't know how I feel inside. I just gotta keep me and guide and protect me. Thank you, Jamaica.
Yes.
Good morning, Jonas. This is Joy Spencer. You me vote for. Shower every time. And hear what I say. I live in a Wildman Street, Christiana. I pay rent for this and all of us. Water wet me up. So I sit that up on the media. No disrespect, sir. Please, I beg you. Assist me with a little house. If I even on the government line, put it on him, make me go in there, go live. Me and my daughter. Sierra, Jody and Wint. And I you me vote for. Seen for? Big you up every time. Me come up at Wormwood for talk to you. I'm right one later and give it. And me come up at Wormwood when they did have a meeting. And me give the little Rasta girl one later for give you. I don't know if she did give you because I did right about my daughter was sick. So I don't know if she did give you, but I did give her for you. So please, sir, even you can't come and come look for my daughter. See that no lie me I tell. Me need somewhere to live. Me tired of pay rent. Me feel like giving up, but I gotta keep me. Gotta give me the strength. Right now me a deep in my heart. Me a cry. Me a cry, Andrew, and me a cry. Tell us me a cry. Me need your help, man. God help me, but me need for your help too. Big up yourself and help me. Yeah.
Alright guys, blessings.
Sometimes I feel like me that run away and don't turn back. But I remember I could get up and in bed and say, God, if me run me and go and left you, you might go suffer. Alright, now you not if I get the proper care when I forget. I remember me no sick at the one place. But when I look up on her, every time I remember me do, me say me not run. Sometimes when I left and go up on the road, me no feel like come back. But when me look, a she come up in front of me. So I said, God, me can't leave him. Can't leave her. So please, Jamaica, me a beg you now. Me no business who want to see him. Help me need. Me need somewhere to live and me need some help with my daughter. I sit on the bed. Tears are run out of my heart. I don't let you know how I feel. When you see me smiling, but you don't know me. Real inside. I go up on the road, but I don't put it on my face. I laugh and I talk to people. But they don't know where I go to right now. See? I mean, I hide nothing from you. I mean, I hide nothing. You know, easy to take care of one daughter. 8 years. Bathe him, feed him, brush him teeth. People tell me, say, if I did them, then I can't go put him down the roadside and run with him. Can't do that. Because I could have did me sick. I don't want somebody to assist me. So I do the best way I can with her. Because I want the blessing from God. I want the blessing come over for me. So I go and look after her till when God say yes. Yeah. Jody. I remember, you know, one time, you know, me used to, a long time I juggle, you know, a long time I suffer, you know. And we used to go all the people, you go weed all people flowers yard now, weed all people, you just get one little money for buy little food, come give her, you know. You see it? And me remember the finger here, me cut it, bossy, and about 5 stitches me did get tonight. And me about 2 baskets of clothes that time me live up a Coleville. And me I say, Lord Jesus, how me I go wash the clothes them? And me go and catch little days work, because one time me come, the little she. That's why me I tell you, say, little girl, me nah let you go nowhere. I take care of you. Me nah let you go nowhere. You see, she wash all the 2 baskets of clothes them. And the sheet them. And when I come off of the hill and I look on the line, I say, Jesus, God Almighty, then I will wash them clothes. And I say, Jody, are you washing? He say, yes. He wash off the 2 baskets, them and sheet, the 1 basket full of sheet and 1 basket of clothes, and he wash off the whole of them. That I should never see. And put everything on the line. And every time I remember about him, I say, oh God, if this a little girl never sick, man, I tell you, say, yes, I left all this house and he dirty when I come back, bed, spread up house, tidy your plate, wash out everything.
Yes.
And they're useful to me. But the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Get me, you know. Yeah. Satan, him thinks say him win, but he no win.
Lose all my time. Yeah.
So he put on this a little girl, you know, fi get me down, fi make me give up, but me not give up. And I go and take care of you. Until God say yes. Me a bathe you, me a feed you, me a clean your shit. Jamaica, me clean your shit. I'm not afraid to tell you, I'm me clean your shit. Wash off here for him and clean him. Brushing teeth and bathe him. And me do everything to him. I'm not afraid. I feel me daughter out of me come out. And me can come here. I never saw him this year. 8 years in Texas. Me I come and go make 9 years. And I take care of him till God ready for him. Yeah. So me picking me this. Nah, me nah let him go nowhere, man. Sometimes I feel like me that wrong way. I mean, no God I go send some help, you know. I mean, no say God I go provide one place for me live in. But he go make me stop pay rent. Because me put me trust and believe in him.
Yes.
I can't save no money. I have to pay rent, I have to buy food, I have to buy pampers, I have to buy everything for him. How me fi save? 2 times a week I buy all pampers. The business who want to see it, you know? The whole Jamaica me want to see it, because I need the help. And when it come upon them, I think I me fling with shame and pride. Me I know one of the girl them way cover up things and hide things when me I suffer. Me I suffer Jamaica, me need it. Me not hide it from you. Me need it. Need the help. Come brush your teeth. Come. Open your teeth. I look at me just when I see me come up a road too, me just be there, you know, but me never get it. Show me a beard there, and me a wash out or something, then say like I just see through the whole parade and I mean I know what or something for me up a bit, so I have to try to wash them when me ain't dry. So me did a wash, me run come beard, me make little tea here and everything, so me never get to brush our teeth.
Okay.
And me have to take the time and brush our teeth. So me bikini, me.
Sister Joy, we pray that, you know, you will.
One is to me brushing teeth. Put it on him. Make him see how me need help. Andrew, you put it on him? Let me talk to him. Andrew, me a own this, my mama own this. He come from St. Elizabeth. So me and you a family. Me need your help. My mama then near Lisette own this. My uncle near Albert own this. Dudley own this. Eggy own this. John own this. My grandfather then come from a St. So me and your family. Reach out to me, Andrew. Me need your help. Me no live nowhere, Andrew. You see all of us, look on the wall. Look on the condition of the house. Landlord not do nothing. You know business about it. All he want is just your rent. You don't care about no matter how me talk to her about it. How that? Me can keep back that part there. Me a suffer. Me a suffer. Me need get one house, put it on piece of government land. Whole heap of land there about, man, government land. Put one of the house pan give me, man. Me tap your rent, man. Oh God, man, you see me a suffer, brother? You don't see it. Oh God, man. Reach out to me, brother. Are you me for it, fine? Come, take time. Open your mouth. Take time, brush your teeth. Open it. Open your brush, brother. You see it for yourself, brother? See me, I have to take time with my daughter. I can't even rub in teeth too hard. Open your mouth. Please can pass a blouse over there, so give me. I read on me. Thank you.
Okay.
A baby turn back, Andrew. 23, I found she 23, Andrew. She takes it. Turn back, baby, see there? And me have to do everything to her. See this, and the line me a tell. No see it for yourself now. When me a talk.
31.
You don't believe me, so no see it for yourself now. See there? Needy man. Open your mouth. Open your jaw. Spit out in this. Spit out it. You think it take a good mother to do this? Take a good mother to for some. Did not find him encourage me and say then that run me and go. Nah, do it. Yeah, so this little girl make blessing come down for me. Open your teeth. Open it. I don't know me glad say you no come here. I let me say, me so not go down the road one day and I say, because you want me not come from down here, I come down here, come live. I live down here so about 4 years. And I say, remember me asking one day, say, if I don't there so I want to live, I want to tell me I want to go look for, and I'm asking no. And when you not tell me show this story, I say, no, sir, me have to tell you for my problem. And that's why, and when me soon again, I say, remember if you come look for me, and come look for me that, I want to never know. So if I never tell you no my problem, you wouldn't know so we have this problem. I like me I say?
Not at all.
People are talking about them and I tell nobody say they have one daughter. I say, me not hide this. Me I tell everybody. Make everybody see say, me need the help. Me have suffer.
Take my brush now.
Me have to rub it good in a car. Me have to get in the street.
You sure you not hurt?
And every day I get for brushing, you know.
Oh.
I can't get for brush every day. I'm indoor like I must say to one day I know make him brush.
Oh.
You fight me and grab me hand and tell me because I know if I hurt, they hurt him. You don't want to brush. Come, behave yourself now. What you tell? Now what you tell me, rub it off.
Maybe I feel.
Your mouth will stink. Lucky sir. Come.
Maybe it hurt Joy. Maybe.
In the job, you know. After he come from the hospital, I up a cold if I put him in a one chair. He sit down, but me this there the door we are washing clothes him in a one bath. And by the time I could have trained about this and rinse out and go hang up on the line, so he drop right out the door.
Drop on her face.
All the coat teeth them out her head. Cause me have to wash, but me have to keep my eyes on her.
Yes.
At the doorway. And she lick out two of the seat teeth them there. Lick she lick out it. Come, long out your tongue. Long out your tongue, me mommy Ruby. Come. Long out your tongue. Long out, stretch out it. Stretch out it now. Open up your mouth now. Come. Open up your mouth. Open up your mouth. No, you have to open it. That me can brush your tongue. If your mouth will stink. Come. Open it. Open it. Aye.
Oh, it a choker, man.
So she will go on, but it have to brush tongue. Here we have one.
Oh.
Really?
What's her?
Really thick. She can't help herself to move.
Yeah.
Touch out your foot. I'll give you the water now here, baby. Baby, I'll give you the water now here. Hear me, daughter? Listen, hey, mama.
Mercy, Lord, mercy.
Stretch out your foot. Stretch out your foot. I clean up her foot, you know. And she, the two nail, treat her ingrowing, the one here. With a little scrape on it and start with the fingernail clip.
Alright, so.
Jordan. I go wash out your toothbrush.
Jordan vex, you know, you just brush her teeth real hard.
I take teeth brush. I guess I know she not over here comb. So me have to trim myself, you know. I can't find the scissors, let me not finish cut off it.
So like how you trim her, make she trim you?
Because it's not over here, me not do because I can't manage it. That's why I up at you know.
Yeah.
Just comb me and gone. See how we me know how to man.
Yeah.
Just go ahead, man. Just look after yourself. Joe, you want water now? Want water?
Yeah.
I need water, don't you know? I saw out there, so I catch 2 bottles of the water from the pipe. And you see, try hit me a gear from where they come in, I'm going to buy 1 case of water out there. So I'm not going to buy no from where there.
Okay.
I have no money.
Yeah.
So when we get the pipe water, I'm ready to stop running.
Because she not used to that time. Yeah.
We're not over a pipe area? No pipe not there this house. Yeah. We don't have no pipe. So me I tell you say if the rain no fall, buy me have to buy all water. If you do everything for our clothes, I have to wash every day.
Yeah.
So God send me the rain, you know, me can have that the water there for wash also.
Alright.
The old stop not so clean either. You can't even use the water for say cook on there something because the old stop rusty. So we can use them the water there. So if you look there, so you can see some little bucket with me full every night when I come, I carry them, full them from the pipe and carry them. But most of the time when I catch them at the pipe out there, the dirty night, so I put them down and in second.
Alright guys, blessed love. Blessed love.
Jody, I give her medication, I don't give her. I wish I put it lately. Take out the figure, you know.
Okay.
Just right my ass.
How much does she take per day? How many of them?
Alright, this that one here. This one here and night she take that one. But through me never get figure last night.
Okay.
Me end up did. Take out the figure. Me not go for the one. Alright. Okay. This one here now. You feel a good patient, man. If you look after this little girl, man. Hey, you feel a patient.